jackal. Once upon a time, in the jungle, there lived a camel and the jackal together. They became good friends. Sometimes they used to walk along the jungle in search of food. One day they saw ripe sugarcane fields on the other side of the river. They came with a plan to cross the river and enjoy the sugar canes. But the jackal does not know how to swim. So the jackal insists the camel to carry him on his back. Camel agreed with his friend Jackal. The camel carried his friend Jackal on his back and set off towards the river. Crossing the river, they entered the sugarcane field and began to eat. Soon Jackal was done with his food. He was too satisfied, but Camel was still eating. All of a sudden, the jackal began to howl loudly. The camel asked him not to do so, it will lead to seek attention of the farmers. But the jackal said that it was his habit to howl after meals. Very soon, all the farmers reached the spot with long sticks. The jackal ran for his life and hid behind the bushes and left the camel alone. The camel was held and badly beaten up by the farmers. While going back, the jackal requested the camel to take him across the river. The camel agreed to do so since he wanted to take revenge upon the jackal and teach him a lesson. In the mid-water, camel took a deliberate dip in the river. The jackal told him not to do so, but the camel said that it was his habit to do so after meals. As a result, the jackal slipped off the camel's back and fell into the deep water. He was drawn away. Now, the jackal had to pay for his mischievousness. Moral. सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे चैनल के बी हसीना और साथ ही साथ बेल आइकॉन पर प्रेस करें।